Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to send payment request on PhonePe. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to send payment request on PhonePe, all you gotta do is simply tap open your PhonePe app. So once you tap open your PhonePe app, you will end up in this kind of interface. So here, all you gotta do is simply tap on to bank/UPI ID. So once you have done this, you will be redirected to this interface where you can simply tap on UPI ID. So once you scroll your account to UPI ID, you can simply send money to people or other PhonePe users. So you can simply request for payment by tapping on UPI ID and adding their UPI ID. So by doing this, you can have a hassle-free trip to make payments on PhonePe. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.